So, what's up, Gencraft crew member? We are back with video, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a furnace in a speed run. So first of all, the first thing that you would like to do is to get at least 3 pieces of oak logs. And once you get these 3 logs, you gotta go make a crafting table. Wait, no. That was a mistake. So, you would like to make a crafting table. Go place it down. And go make some logs. All logs and sticks, and then you make a pickaxe. And then using this pickaxe, you can go mine the stone. What you do it like this. But you would not like to go get 8 pieces of cobblestone first, because you need that to make a stone pickaxe to make everything faster. And now you can get 8 of all of the stone faster. And then after that, you make a furnace. So now I'm gonna try to do it at speed run. So wait, let me just. So now I'm gonna go grab my phone to set the timer. Okay. So yeah, I had to stop recording for a pretty long time, so that is why we are going to start the speed run. But we're not gonna do the entire speed run, just making the furnace, okay? Oh, sorry. So now, so that's why I went to create mode and got this 3 pieces of logs. So we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Go make all of that and turn it to a crafting table with sticks. Gonna go a wooden pickaxe as starter. And then now, just craft the furnace, and then manually, boom! That took 1 minute and 15 seconds. So that's how you do it, and thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.